Greetings to the viewer. My name is Lapiyano. I am group lead of Team Nexified. We are excited to share the final update of our project, Pet Essentials, an e-commerce web application for all pet needs. Our platform not only allows customers to shop for pet products, but also includes a pet profiling system and recurring orders to deliver a customized experience for pet owners. In this demonstration, I'm joined by my team members, Kgotso, Thabo, and Samkelo.
A prominent profile icon catches John's eye in the top right corner next to the card icon. John then clicks on the icon and it takes him to the login page. Because John is the first-time user, he does not have an account as yet. So he clicks on register here, then the page transitions smoothly to a very clean registration form. This registration form asks for the basics such as the title, full name, email address, password, confirm password, address, and contact number. John therefore fills the registration form. Mr. John Doe, email address John then John's contact number, then John clicks on the register button, which smoothly takes him back to the login page. Since John is now the registered user, he will enter his details. John Doe. Then he will click on the login button, which will redirect him to the home page. Since John is now all settled, he will click on the profile icon again, which will load him to a revealing user profile. In this page, John is able to add a new pet. He's able to view the pet that is added. He's able to view the upcoming orders. He's able to view the subscriptions or recurring orders. John is able to view his personal details, and he can edit his personal details as well. John can view his invoices, or all his invoices, or all the invoices that are generated. Since John is now a user, he can do all these things.
John Doe is able to view on our homepage, and as John Doe logs in and accesses our homepage, we are then show him all the products that we offer for pet essentials for all our dogs, our lovely dogs, for our customers, cats, birds, and fish products. John Doe is able to browse the products that we offer, be able to see the picture of the product, the name of the product, price, and the category. And also, we're going to show the deal of the day to John Doe. The deal of the day, which is the deal that is been bought the most on our website by all the users that we have. We're going to show here deal of the day. And also when John Doe logs in, based on John Doe's activities, which means like the products that he buys, the products that he adds to the chart, we're going to show the suggestions over here. We're going to show the suggestions to John, and also John is able to see all our services, the blogs on the homepage, categories here, popular categories, dogs, cat food, fish, bird, and the products on sale, and all our details on the footer. And also to make things easier for John, he's able to browse a specific category. For example, cat food. If John clicks on cat food, we're going to show all the cat food products that we offer to John. Cat toys. It's going to show all the toys, the one toys, to John Doe. It also applies with dogs, clothing for dogs. It's going to show all the clothing that we provide for the dogs. Filter also by accessory. It's going to show all the dog shelters. Fish food. It's going to show all the food. Birds, same thing, shelter for bird. It's going to show the products here. Shelter for bird. The user can click, John can also click on sale to see the sale products. To make it even more easier, John can search for the product that he likes. For example, let's say John clicks Meow Mention and searches for Meow Mention. It's gonna show Meow Mention over here. Let's also see if John can search for another specific product. Let's say, for example, John searches for Flock Fun, this bed toy. Flock Fun. Flock Fun. Click search, and it shows just the product based on the name Flock Fun that he clicks, and it's going to show the product to John. So John is able to go to the about product page. John can either click the photo or the name for him to take him to the about product of the product that we provide. Say for the user, let's say John clicks on the image. It's gonna show the image of the product, name, the rating based on previous customers who bought and rated our respective product. And also the description here, category, and the tag. Details, also extra details here of the product and the reviews as well. And then John can either add more products, specific product that he wants. Maybe he wants 3 products, 2, 3, 4. Let's say 4 for example, and then he adds.
As our group leader said, my name is Samkelo Magubane. So, as John has successfully logged in, this is going to be like his shopping cart. It's going to be empty because he hasn't added any product in a shopping cart. So, to add a product in a shopping cart, he's going to click home and then click on each product, and then it's going to show the about product page. The about product page will show the name of the product, the ratings, the rating, the price, and the description. He can also like increase or decrease the quantity of each product that he wants to buy. Like if he increases it to 3, this helps because like he cannot increase or decrease the quantity of the product if it is out of stock. Like and then he's gonna click add to cart. As soon as he clicked that button, it's gonna show that this product already is added to a cart page, to a shopping cart page. Okay, so the about product page will also show like the category, like what category does it fall it under, food, shelter, and then it's gonna show the text. Is it for pets? Is it for dogs? Is it for fish or whatever pet? And then he can add as many products as he want into a shopping cart. Like he can add as many products as he wants to our shopping cart, into his shopping cart. Okay, so he can also like open the shopping cart. This is the shopping cart but icon. He can like view the shopping cart, and then it's gonna show him this like the products that he added into the shopping cart. Okay, even on the shopping cart, he can also like decrease the quantity of each product, and then as you can see, as he decreases the quantity, the price decreases, I'm sorry, and then as he increases the quantity, the price also increases. He can also choose like to remove the product from the shopping cart if he no longer wishes to buy that product. He can remove it, and then this is gonna show okay, at the bottom it's gonna show like the subtotal, the text, the discount, and the shipping, and then the total. Like the total is gonna show the sum of all of this. And then if he wishes to clear his shopping cart, like if he wants to buy this product, he's gonna click on proceed to check out, and then it's gonna lead him into a checkout page. The checkout page will need like the other things he cannot change, like the name, the email, the contact. Those are things that are already saved into our database as that he used to register. So what he can change is um, his address, and then he's gonna also the payment information. He's gonna like add the payment information every time he wants to buy something, like every time he wants to do the checkout. This is because the payment information is not saved on our database, so he's gonna always like input it every time he wants to make a, a payment. So let's fill it, the card number. Okay, and then the expiry date, it's gonna start with a month, and then a, and then CVV, this is like a security number nyana, and then the subscription name, let me just say once, and then this is at the bottom, it's gonna show the order summary, like the price or the the product name, and then the quantity and the price. So this is the same as what I've said, that is the subtotal, text, delivery, discount, and the total. It's gonna click proceed to check out, and then if he really wants to make that purchase using his card, uses his payment information and the address, and then it's gonna lead him to this invoice page. The invoice page will issue the invoice number and the date, of this invoice, like when was this invoice created, and then it's gonna show the address of our company, and then it's gonna also show his address, like his it's gonna show his things, like the name, his information, like the name and the surname, and then the address, and then this is gonna show like the item name, the quantity. You can see the quantity here is the three. It's three, and then this is the price for each product, and then this is gonna be the subtotal for the whole quantity of those products he bought. Like it's each price times the quantity. It's gonna show like the subtotal, and then this is our subtotal, this is our text, this is discount, this is delivery, eh, and then this is gonna show like our total, like including everything now. What is our total? So you can see our total, it's 1,241, including the VAT, the subtotal, the discount, and the delivery. This is gonna be our total. And then if he wants to go to the shopping cart is gonna be clear again. So if he wants to make some new purchase, he can do the process all over again. Thank you.
Now logging in as the admin. Now this gives a different view than what a regular customer sees. The admin navigation includes links to critical sections like that in dashboard. The admin dashboard to manage products, orders, and importantly, the report section. The admin can access user reports to see information about customers, the activity, sales reports, user registration, and performance of certain products in the database. Now, the navigation, the entire app is fully responsive. So they are able to access this in mobile view and also in desktop view. Now in that main dashboard, we have the product section. Now this allows us to manage products. We can delete products in the database. If you go to the home page, we have a product bob tail. Now we can delete this product and can go back and see if yes, and the changes are correctly displayed. Now you can also edit details. We have meow mention. It's in the wrong category. It's shelter for cats. So now we can assign it to the correct category. You can also add more specifications dynamically. So this allows you to add more specifications. You can also choose to raise if you've added more than you need of the views. You can also change the image here, upload a new image. So now let's save these changes and see if they are displayed in the homepage and about product. And as you can see, suitable for kittens. The new specification has been added. Let's do one more. Let's say we want to delete the last specification. And yeah, let's save that. And yes, it's displayed correctly. Another thing the admin is also able to do is to update user orders. So we have a user by the name John Doe. Currently, he has one order, and the status is packed. So we can change this, and it will reflect back to the user. So now let's log out and log in as the user John Doe. Now I'm logged in as a customer. I no longer see access to the admin dashboard. The user has a profile page where he can check their subscriptions and orders. So it's currently status is currently packed. Now let's change it as the admin. Now going to John's order, we can change the status, update to fulfill, update. The status is reflected also here. Now going back as John Doe, when John Doe accesses his profile and check his order, he will see that the status has changed to fulfilled. This is how he can track his orders, and that's how the admin can keep the customers updated about their order status. So now let's go back to that main dashboard. The most important features is the ability to add products into the database. Let's add a new toy, laser, the barcode, description, and we can select the category in which it belongs. It's a toy for cats. Now the pricing, let's say 120. Now the initial stock inventory will be 50 for product. Let's say yes, 50. We can add specifications, let's say power 500 milliamp hour, and we can select the image. Now we have successfully added the product in the database. Now let's search. We also have a search functionality here to filter the products. Let's see if we do have laser. Yes, we do have laser pointer in the database. Now the user, the admin is also able to add sales to products. Currently, we don't have any product on sale. When you click on the filter checks on products on sale, there's none currently, but the admin is able to add a sale, the start date, the percentage. Let's call it summer, spring sale. Now this discount would be let's say 80%. Let's start from today till the 30th. We save it. Now we can apply the sale to a certain product. Remember the price here is 149.50, and let's apply the sale to this product. Spring sale 80% off. Now we have applied the sale. So let's go back to the home page and see how much the product is now. Now it's 29 rands 90. The initial price has been scratched out. Now if you go to the about page, yes, it also shows correctly. Let's add it to cart and see the total. So including shipping, the price goes to 84 rands, and the tax also included. Now the discount is correctly calculated also. Now in the admin dashboard, we also have analytic reports. You can check how sales are going. Currently, we have 0 products sold, products on hand in the total products in the database. So there's none sold. You can also see how many items for each product are in the store. And for user reports, we can see user registration activity. So we currently have only 3 users in the database. Can filter by date, say from the 1st of September to today. There's only 3 users, and all registered on the same day, makes it S3.